Hey, these people came from Europe, mind you. So, hey, I need y'all to go ahead, like, subscribe, and share. Follow, as always, on Weaponry out here. Teach one. Hey, keeping it safe out here at this range.
Pas mal, hein?
Ok.
Down here, man. And they from France. Hey, how y'all doing? This Tyson with Weaponry. Just had a great time here with some fellas. Where y'all from again?
France.
From France.
Yes,
so check them out.
Yes, sir.
Very good. It
So
was
check
very
'em out.
good.
Yeah, very good.
Tyson is
What
the
other
best.
one? You're getting the picture, man. Get the picture.
Tyson
so-
is the best
Tyson.
teacher.
The best teacher.
The best
teacher
I'm
ever.
all right. I'm all right. But hey, we had a good time though.
Yeah.
Again, I hope to see y'all again.
Yeah.
Maybe I
Hope so.
can come to France.
Yes,
Whenever
sir.
we go around.
Whenever we want.
All right.
We can
But,
shoot with BB guns in France.
hey, I'm gonna tell you this. Y'all can use air rifles in France.
Yeah.
Practice with air rifles.
Yep.
Because with your draw time of air rifles, next time you come, hopefully we can go out to
Yeah, PG.
the course
Oh.
Yeah.
and run the course.
Yeah.
So, but practice with that because dealing with those, it also gets your gun game on point.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
So that's always something good to practice. I understand over there is wild. Even over here, they trying to get wild and try to take these rights away. But hey,
So we got
hopefully they
some
don't.
homework, right?
Homework.
We
Yeah.
got some
Homework.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna say this too. Believe it or not, with them shooting, they was on point. They shooting the AR with iron sights and was hitting the bullseye. Y'all see it on the video.
Don't play with French people, man.
Don't
play
with French
Don't
people.
play with us, man.
Hey, I'm gonna say this. They asking me who was the better one. It's hard to say. It's hard to say. He was on point. He was on point. Wait, yeah, he was on point. These two. These two. But at the end, everybody was still shooting good. They was getting their rapid fire on. I saw how y'all was loading up and shooting fast. But hey, it was all about having fun. I thank y'all. Again, hope to see y'all again.
My friend.
Hope to see y'all again, man.
you. Thank you
Hey,
very much, Tyson.
need your social media if you got it too, man.